All right, my friends, welcome back. So today is interesting day because people are earning good money in this platform, and I can tell you that you will be able to earn between $0 to $200 per day. Easy. This is easy peasy platform. Why? Because everything is decentralized, everything is on the blockchain. You do not have to do anything, right? And we earn daily 1%. So if you stake some good money, you should be able to earn between $0 to $200 per day in this platform. So I will share this screen with you, right? So you will see and notice that people are earning a lot of money in this platform. Okay, so starting from $155 per day to $173 per day to $182 per day, and then to $194 per day, and then boom, $223 per day. This is incredible, guys. This is incredible. This is happening every day on autopilot. No referral is needed for you to earn this money, guys. It depends on the amount of money you have staked in this platform. So when I mean staked, some people like to use the term invest. So if you want to use that term invest, then that is okay. That depends on how much you invested or you staked in this platform. And that brings me to tell you and explain a little bit more what is happening in this platform, how does it work, and how you actually make money. How do you earn money in this platform? This screenshot that I have just shown you, how do you come about these figures? How do you earn it? As you can see, as it is appearing here. So I will now take you to the next video that is going to explain to you how it works. So that brings us to this question: how does it work? How do you make money in PopMax? It's very easy. Okay, now let me explain how it works, and I'm going to explain this in very briefly. I'm not going to go into elaborate explanation on how it works and how you make money actually, now that you have seen what is going on in PopMax. So very quickly, what we are doing here is we are basically staking. Okay, we are staking for cryptocurrency or a token that is called PPT. Now PPT is listed on 4 to 5 different exchanges, right? And you can see the exchanges that it has been listed. So you can see Bybit, BitGet, Gate.io, MEXC, and BingeX. These are the exchanges that the PPT has been listed. So if you go into these exchanges, you can actually trade the PPT token, right? So you can buy and sell the PPT token in these exchanges, right? It's already been listed and it's been trading for a long time now. Okay, so when you stake in PopMax, what you get is you will get different contract periods, right? So you have 10 days contract period that you will earn 0.4%. You can stake for 30 days where you will earn 0.5%, or you can stake for 90 days and you will earn 0.6%, or you stake for 180 days if you want. You will also earn 0.8%. Then the last one is 360 days. This is the one you earn 1%. The good thing about this platform is after you have completed your contract days, let's say you choose 10 days. If you complete your 10 days contract, they will give you back your original staked money, okay, which is your original deposit will be given back to you. If you stake for 30 days, when your 30 days elapse, you will get your profit back plus your initial capital or initial deposit that you have used to start staking. If you do the one of 90 days, the same thing, 180 days, the same thing, 360 days, they will also give you back your original deposit once you complete that contract, plus all your profit. You will get them. You will also be able to withdraw daily. Okay, if you are making enough profit to the minimum requirement, which is 100 ppt, you will be able to withdraw that 100 ppt on a daily basis. However, there is a 10% charge for each withdrawal that you make in this platform, just so you know. So when you join and you stake, all your money goes into a pool, right? All the money that we are putting in, the money you want to use to stake, which is your deposit, will go into a pool. Now that pool is being used for trading, okay, and providing liquidity to the ecosystem. So the company is rewarding us if we wish to stake for 10 days up to 360 days. Now, when you join with a minimum of $100 USDT in BEM20 network, and you will also require to have a minimum of $10 BNB for gas fee. This is just to get you started, okay? So the recommended wallet that they are using for PopMax is Trust Wallet, BitGet Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, or SafePower Wallet. You could use either of these wallets to get started, and the steps on how to get started is below this video description if you wish to join this platform. So this is the basic requirements that you need to get started in PopMax. And as I said, it is staking that we are doing, and we are earning reward for staking PPT. Now, when you do register and start with PopMax, you will also be able to go to CoinGecko and check the current price. As you can see, the PPP token has gone up today, as at when I'm recording this video, by 3.1%. So imagine that you are staking and earning PPT in this platform, and you decided to hold your PPT token in your decentralized wallet, which could be Trust Wallet, BitGet Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, or SafePower Wallet. You keep it there for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and boom, the market price goes up. You will earn more money. Your token that you have staked and you have earned, which is the POP token, will now appreciate in value. Now, if you decide not to hold this token after you have earned your rewards for staking, you can just go to either of these exchanges, okay, and sell it for USDT. And then you can use your USDT to do whatever you want to do, knowing fully well that your USDT is pegged at $1. Okay, so 1 USDT is equal to $1. So this is how it works basically. As I said, I don't want to go into elaborate explanation on how it works. This is just a very short explanation of how it works and how you make your money, right? So how does it work? Let me recap. When you join with one of these wallets, and the minimum for you to start is 100 USDT, okay? But you will also need to have $10 worth of BNB for gas fees, right? Once you have all of this in your wallet, you will now copy my referral link and paste it in your D app, and then follow the instructions I have listed in the video description below, right? And then you can stake more than $100 if you want. It's entirely up to you, but this is the minimum. People are staking 20,000, people are staking 40,000. This is the reason why you saw the earlier screenshot of people that are earning a lot of money in this platform. So basically, this is how it works, and the platform is doing really well, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. So don't forget to sign up with the link below this video description. Remember to follow the instructions, because if you don't follow the instructions, then you are going to miss maybe 1 or 2 steps. So follow all the steps that I have written down below this video description to start to earn money, just like every other person earning money in this platform. So guys, thank you very much. Remember to share this video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless.